are going to start today ethics and integrity. So I thought to have some chapters on ethics and integrity also. So going to start with unit 1. This unit 1 is all about what is human being live in a moral community where the action and behavior of the member is governed by socially acceptable norms and values. It is important to remember that terms like ethics, first is ethics, second is morality, third is value, and it is important to remember that the term like ethics, morality, value, those sound similar are distinct. So ethics are essentially rooted in the cultural context. Ethics is cultural, okay, it is ethics is cultural context of the society, set of guidance, desirable undesirable behavior. Values on the other hand are the parameter to check the desirability of the behavior. So values is the check the desirability. Values is to check the desirability of the behavior, and belief from a social perspective, the interconnection between this concept form a basis of human behavior, and all of three behaviors are what is that? That is forming the human behavior. Okay, so now according to the Oxford Dictionary definition, ethics is a set of moral principle. So what is ethics? Is a set of moral principle. Okay. In Merriam-Webster dictionary also, ethics refer to the discipline that deal with what is good, what is bad, morally duty or obligation, that is called ethics. Okay, so broadly speaking, it is what is good, what is just, what is unjust, what is right, what is wrong. So ethics, it is important to understand that basic concept of belief, value, ethics, morality and relation between of them. So ethics are values, but all values are not ethics. All ethics are values, but all values are not ethics. Okay, all values are not ethics, but all ethics are values. So one must also take into account that all these concepts are highly abstract in nature, and they must be defined according to the context of relation in which there is discussed. All values are not ethics, ethics are values. While discussing ethics, one must take into account the same person as well as a society of which concern the ethical part. So human behavior, how human behavior is derived? Human behavior is like every human being is defined by certain characteristic. So his education and behavior and response to stimulus exhibited by humans, and which are influenced by culture, attitude, emotions, values, ethics, authority. And human behavior, it include the way they are based on different factors such as genetics, social norms, core faith, attitude, and certain traits. Each individual has the traits like dependent on genetics of the person as well as on the environment conditions. So different behavior are deemed to be either acceptable or unacceptable, and core faith can be perceived through the religion, philosophy on that individual. Okay, so belief is a most common term used to explain behavioral component. If we are talking about the belief, just belief, so belief is behavioral concept. Belief is a behavioral concept in an internal feeling that something is true, even though the belief may be unproven or irrational. So belief, like I believe that number 3 is unlucky for me, it's belief. Belief can be economic, political and social. A belief is simplest form of mental repression and therefore one of the building block of conscious thoughts. So belief are something divided into core belief that are actively throw about dispositional belief. Okay, though about the issue as do you believe tiger wear pink pajama? So it is kind of belief. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the values. So what do you think about the value? Values can be defined as those things that are important or valued by someone. Like someone can be an individual or an organization. Value describe life basically. These are the standard on basis of which we evaluate something or make judgment about how desirable or undesirable that thing is to us. So that thing can be a person, a place, an object, choice that support our value system. So let us say that financial security is a strong value. An individual will carefully examine each organization for potential financial and job security. Okay, job application वो value financial security, and established company over a higher paying offer, new high risk venture. This is all values about. Okay, like bureaucrats remaining behind this curtain or away from the public gaze is better than being famous, then we can say that is he has the value of anonymity. Values therefore influence our behavior and the behavior of all those with whom we interact. So this is called the value. Every person has certain principle or cardinal values on which his other value are based. A person having justice, cardinal value may be also the value of fairness, democratic institution, judicial and parliamentary process. That is called the value. Like individualism, courage, freedom, hard work, competition, patriotism, punctuality and honesty and truthfulness and fairness and humanness. These kind of value standards are there. Now we are going to distinguish between the belief and values. What are the distinguish between the belief and value? So the value are fundamental beliefs. Okay, so these are the fundamental of belief. Values are fundamental of the belief. Okay, one can also say that all values are belief, like all values are belief, and certain belief will be amenable to change. So person with almost no exposure to American society believe that all Americans are bad. Then one day he watched an American helping an old man crossing the street. This changed his belief system. This happened because his belief system was based on inadequate and poor information. Okay, so core belief, they do not change easily and require a great deal of efforts. Their making also require lot of time. Hence, it is suggested that value education should stay early in the childhood. So, there should be value education in the childhood. Now, what is the difference between the ethics and morality? Ethics and morals. Okay. See, ethics and morals both relate to right and wrong conduct. So, what is right? What is wrong? This is the conduct of that. So morality on the other hand comes from the Latin word moralities, which means manner, character or proper behavior. Ethics and moral judgment focus more precisely on degree of rightness and wrongness. So these are the standard on the basis which one can decide what is right, what is wrong. Ethics and moral prescribe what is or is not considered appropriate behavior in living one's life. Standards such as honesty, truthfulness, fairness, humanness. Making ethical judgment of rightness and wrongness in human behavior. Ethics is also defined as the study of what we understand to be good and right behavior and how people may go to the judgment. So ethics of all decisions and action is defined by society and not individually. So it can be said that ethics is discipline that examines one's moral standard or the moral standard of the society. It asks how these moral standards apply to our lives and whether these standards are reasonable or unreasonable. So whether good reasons or poor ones support them. Therefore, a person starts to study ethics when he or she takes moral standards absorbed from family, religion, friends and ask what do these standards implies. So do these standards really make sense? What are the reasons for that against this decisions? This is called the morality. Okay, now what is the conflict between the ethics and morality? What is the conflicts? So how do you understand conflict? Ethics and norms of society are generally passed to individuals through the process of inculturation. Ethics is by inculturation. So these can be many situations, like there can be a conflict of interest. Like one professional example of ethics conflicting with moral is the work of the defense lawyer. A lawyer moral may take him that murder is reprehensible and that murder should be punished, but his ethics can be professional lawyer require him to defend the client. Like morally he knows he is a murderer, but ethically he will go to save him. Okay, so this is the conflict of interest between of them. Difference between values and ethics. See, concept such as material success like individualism, efficacy, freedom, courage, hard work, prudence, competition, patriotism, compromise, punctuality, all are the values of standards. Okay, these are the values. What are the values I described? Okay, this is standard of right and wrong. However, standards such as honesty, truthfulness, fairness, humanness usually are used making ethical judgment. Like these values will give the impetus to the ethical judgment. All ethics or moral can be regarded as values, but all values cannot be regarded as ethics or moral. Also, just as there are no universally accepted standard of ethics, there are no values which are applicable to all individual, and society. Value can be moral, immoral, amoral. Okay, so whether they conform to, go against, or are indifferent towards certain norms or morality or value influence what we will determine as ethical. In fact, value is considered as the language of ethics. We usually value only those things which are considered ethical in the society. This close relationship between the importance and right and wrong is powerful influence or behavior. So that is called or a belief. Imagine a person who has a strong value of achievement and success, knowing only that his values is important to him, gives us a general expectation of his behavior. So do an honest day work each day. The latter dimension to a matter of ethics and morality. Okay, so this is called the morality and ethics. Now difference between ethics and moral. Ethics and morals. See, ethics and morals both relate to right and wrong. Right and wrong. Ethics and moral both relate to right and wrong. Series of rules provided to an individual by external source like their profession, society, religion. On the other hand, morals refer to individual own principle. Morals are the own principle. Okay. Ethics are the rule of conduct recognized in the respect to a particular class of human action or the particular group culture. It defines how things according to the rules. Ethics are going to the rules. Okay. And morals are the individual, like own decisions. So ethics can also be considered a social system, framework of acceptable of behavior. The source is social system and external. Ethics is external and morals are internal. Okay, so ethics are dependent on others for definition. They are very consistent within a certain context. Like ethics is consistent also. They are dependent over others. Okay. So, but they are different from the ethics of the 21st century legal profession. In France, bureaucrats are not politically neutral as they fight election. Or in India, a bureaucrat having political motivation in regards to highly unethical. So, moral are like conscious control over the ethics. Okay, moral are respectively also define a study of what is morally right. Moral are principle or habits with respect to right and wrong conduct. Even they source in individual and internal, even recognize there because we believe in something being right or wrong. If we don't follow this standard, it may have a different ethics on different people. They may feel uncomfortable also. So that's why this is the difference between the